Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search a property by address in batch leads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search a property by address in batch leads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, sometimes you're driving around and you see a property, so you jot down the address and you want to find out more information about it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my batch lead, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search a property by address in batch leads, here on the left side, make sure you click on this button here, property search. It looks like a little pin. Once you do that, you're going to see this little search bar right here. All you're going to do is click into it, and now you can go ahead and just type in the address. So let me go ahead and just type one in. Okay, so once you start typing in the address, you're going to see the address start popping up. So you can go ahead and just click on the address once you see it. Now, sometimes the address doesn't always pop up because you have to put in different variations. So for example, this one says Southeast, but I put in SE. Sometimes it's going to pick it up. Sometimes it's not. If not, go ahead and try different variations, such as spelling out street, STREET, or in this case, instead of putting SE, put in Southeast and write it out. So you might have to try a couple of different variations. But once you see the address, go ahead and just click on it. Okay, so once you click on the address, it's going to go ahead and show you more details about the property, including the owner information, square footage, estimated value. If it's on the market, you can also click on these little blue lines right here and see if there's any kind of recent more information. And you can also add it to your leads up here on the top right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search a property by address using your batch leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.